guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is another face mask review, and today I am testing out this Garnier Hyaluronic Cryo Jelly Anti-Fatigue Jelly Sheet Mask. So I've never tried this one before. This is a brand new one for me. I love the Garnier masks. They are some of my favourite masks ever, but I haven't tried this one. It says it's -7 degrees skin cooling. It's a 15-minute mask, vegan. It contains 4% glycerin, hyaluronic acid and menthol, and it's for tired skin. That's me. It instantly minimises signs of fatigue and firms the skin for up to 18%. The mask's gelified sheet envelops the skin with a layer of moisture for 24 hours, and gelified juice enriched with hyaluronic acid and glycerin and menthol helps to strengthen the skin's moisture barrier with an intense water lock-in effect. Proven effectiveness: immediately the skin feels refreshed and looks visibly rested. Signs of fatigue appear reduced and the skin appears smoother, plumped and healthier. Interesting. Yeah, let's put it on. Now I'm actually noticing that it does actually feel a lot more like jelly compared to other sheet masks which feel just wet. This feels quite thick like jelly, which is interesting. Okay, so I'm going to keep this on now for 15 minutes. Just going to do a little check-in midway through. I can definitely feel cooling. Like, I feel like my skin is freezing. Like, I feel like I've got snow or ice on my face. Obviously, it's difficult for me to talk without the mask moving. I do feel like there's ice on my face. It's kind of uncomfortable, I'm not gonna lie. I don't like the feeling. Hopefully my skin is gonna look good, but I'm not sure on the sensation that I'm feeling. It's actually making my eyes water a little bit, which is weird. Like, I've never experienced this with a mask before, but it is cryo, isn't it? So it's gonna freeze, so that makes sense. And it is -7 skin cooling. Well, it feels like that, yeah. Ooh. Okay, so it's actually only been 10 minutes, but I just don't like it. I don't like this feeling. It's just uncomfortable on my face. So I'm just gonna take it off. Okay, so my skin looks less dull, less tired. It looks refreshed and plumped and stuff like that. But I just don't like this feeling that I've got on my face. Like, it feels like, you know, when you get out of a pool and then you go outside and like your hair's wet and your face is wet and you're freezing. It's like that. Like, there's wind. Like, it's like my face is wet and there's wind blowing on my face. It's a really weird feeling and sensation. I don't like it. It's not pleasant. Like, I thought, oh, a nice cooling effect would be pleasant. No, I am not a fan. Yes, it's made my skin really nice. I actually really like the way it's made my skin feel. But as soon as I'm finished filming this video, I'm going to try and wash it off to try and get this cooling sensation off, because I'm not a fan. Which is really disappointing, because I love every single Garnier mask that I've tried. But it's obviously the cryo cooling effect, which I imagine a lot of people really like. It is literally personal preference. You might try it and you might love that effect. I am just not a fan personally, which is a shame. But I think this was only about £4.50, so it's not breaking the bank. And I really like the way it's made my skin look. So it's not an overall thumbs down. It's like a, you know, I don't think I'd repurchase though. So yeah, that completes this video. This was my review of the Garnier Hyaluronic Cryo Jelly Anti-Fatigue Jelly Sheet Mask. I hope you liked it and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!